Hey guys, it's Future Zaya. So I just want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and let's watch me cut my hair. And I just want to say that I like it a lot, and I've been getting a lot of compliments on my hair, and I've cut it more since then. And yeah, let's watch the video. Yeah. Hi guys, so today I am cutting my hair.
You say no, you haven't even seen it yet.
Don't mind her yelling.
Big chop.
It's like, we gonna wet it first. This water ain't doing nothing. My hair is like the deadest plant on the earth.
You said okay, Amber Rose.
You Amber Rose. He Amber Rose. You Amber Rose. You got no hair. Oh, you got some. You got centimeters. He got centimeters. He don't got inches.
Tommy Pickles.
Ew.
Now Derek calls me Tommy Pickles.
Call on my hair.
It's
Kyle!
Tommy Pickles. I sell Pickles.
I told him and he wouldn't.
My hair falling out. Okay, my hair was here. Everyone. It was here. Alright. Goodbye. Okay, this hair is stuck to my hand. Alright, I'm gonna go with scrunchy. But I got one on my wrist. Right here. Right here. Oh. Oh, I did it already. It's no holding back. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. I made a mistake.
He's getting great. Cornrows. Cornrows.
I feel like one of those bald-headed girls now. Alright.
You look like him too.
You rude.
So I heard.
What if I just keep this one side? Fashion.
He's a quarterback, so I bet you that's.
Alright.
Installing it or something.
This is all the hair. I'll miss you. Nadira.
Huh? What?
I got more hair now.
What the hell?
Since we're done with the video, this is the result. I finger coiled my hair to get a better look. But yep, I can't wait for the future. So I know what it looks like, and it's gonna be healthy curls. I cut my hair because my hair was kind of damaged. Not really, but I want healthy, nice curls, not dead curls, and I want the full effect, not half of it. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I said that in the beginning, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.